Welcome to the universe of the mind. You'll be amazed at the things that you might find in a galaxy far, far away. The secrets of our world will be exposed today.
Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about our place in the universe? It's a big question. And today, we're going to try and answer a piece of it by going on a journey of scale, starting right here on our home planet Earth. It feels enormous, right? It's about 12,700 kilometers in diameter. If you could drive around its equator without stopping, it would take you about 17 days. That sounds pretty big. But let's see how we stack up against our neighbors. First, let's look at the smaller planets in our solar system. Mercury, the smallest, is only about a third of Earth's size. You could fit nearly 18 Mercuries inside our planet. Mars, the red planet, is a bit bigger, about half the diameter of Earth. Venus is often called Earth's twin because it's very close in size, just a tiny bit smaller. So far, Earth is holding its own as the biggest of the rocky planets. But now let's venture out to the gas giants. This is where things start to get humbling. Neptune and Uranus are the first we encounter. They are both about 4 times wider than Earth. You could fit roughly 60 Earths inside Uranus. They are true giants compared to us, but they're just the opening act. Next up is Saturn, the ringed jewel of our solar system. Saturn is a colossal 9 times wider than Earth. Forget fitting 60 Earths inside. You could cram over 760 Earths into Saturn. Imagine that. Its famous rings are so vast they could stretch almost the entire distance from the Earth to the Moon. Our planet is starting to feel a little less significant, isn't it? And then there's the king. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is an absolute monster. It's 11 times the diameter of Earth. If Earth were a grape, Jupiter would be a basketball. You could fit all the other planets in our solar system inside Jupiter and still have room to spare. The volume is even more staggering. Over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Jupiter's Great Red Spot, a storm that has been raging for centuries, is wider than our entire planet. So, in our solar system, Earth is a small, rocky world in a family of giants. But our solar system is just one star system among billions. What happens when we zoom out even further? Our Sun, the star that gives us life, is pretty average in size for a star. It's about 109 times the diameter of Earth. You could fit 1.3 million Earths inside the Sun. That's a mind-boggling number. Our planet is just a tiny speck compared to the star it orbits. But is our Sun a big deal in the grand scheme of the galaxy? Not really. Let's look at some other stars. There are red dwarfs, which are much smaller and cooler than our Sun. But then there are the blue giants, like Rigel in the Orion constellation. Rigel is about 78 times the diameter of our Sun. If you were to replace our Sun with Rigel, it would extend almost to the orbit of Mercury. And we can go bigger, much, much bigger. Talk about red hypergiants. One of the most famous is Betelgeuse, also in Orion. It's so large that if it were at the center of our solar system, it would swallow Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, and its outer atmosphere would reach all the way to Jupiter. It's about 1,000 times the diameter of our Sun. Think about that. Our Sun, which can hold 1 million Earths, is dwarfed by this behemoth. But even Betelgeuse has competition. For a long time, the title of the largest known star was held by Scuddy. This star is a true cosmic titan. It's estimated to be around 1,700 times the diameter of our Sun. If you placed Scuddy where our Sun is, it would engulf the orbit of Jupiter and reach nearly to Saturn. The volume is astronomical. You could fit 5 billion suns inside Scuddy. And remember, each of those suns could hold over 1 million Earths. The scale is almost impossible to comprehend. Recently, astronomers have found another contender that might be even larger. Stephenson, 2-18. This red hypergiant is located about 20,000 light-years away. Its estimated radius is over 2,000 times that of our Sun. It's so big that light itself, would take nearly 9 hours to travel around its circumference. Compare that to the 14 seconds it takes light to circle the Earth. If you put Stephenson to 218 in our solar system, it would swallow the orbit of Saturn. All the planets up to Saturn would simply be inside this star. From a planet that takes 17 days to drive around to a star so large it would consume everything out to Saturn. This journey of scale shows us just how small we are. Our entire planet, with all its mountains, oceans, and life, is less than a grain of sand in the cosmic ocean. But this shouldn't make us feel insignificant. Instead, it should fill us with wonder. On this tiny, fragile rock in a quiet corner of an immense galaxy, life emerged, consciousness arose. And we, a species born of stardust, developed the ability to look out into the cosmos and understand our place within it. We can measure these colossal stars and grasp these incredible distances. The fact that we are so small, yet so aware, is perhaps the most extraordinary thing of all. The universe is vast and we are tiny, but we are a part of it. We are the universe experiencing itself. So, the next time you look at the stars, remember the journey we took today. Remember the scale from a grape to a basketball to a star that would swallow our entire inner solar system. And feel the awe of being a conscious observer in this magnificent, grand cosmos. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic tour. If you enjoyed this journey through space and scale, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures into the universe. See you next time.
Welcome to the universe of the mind. You'll be amazed of the things that you might find. In a galaxy far, far away, the secrets of our world will be exposed today. All is never what it seems. Is a world created by our dreams? Are we living in a simulation? Is the moon an alien space station? Quantum is quantum dust. Nobody knew just what it was. To this day we still don't know, but we won't stop exploring, no. Welcome to the universe of the mind. To the universe of the mind. You'll be amazed of the things that you might find. In a galaxy far, far away, the secrets of our world will be exposed today. All is never what it seems. Is a world created by our dreams? Are we living in a simulation? Is the moon an alien space station? Quantum buzz, nobody knew just what it was. To this day we still don't know, but we won't stop exploring though. Welcome to the universe of the mind.
To the universe of the mind.
Welcome to the universe of the mind.
Welcome to the universe of the mind.
Mind. To the universe of the mind. You'll be amazed of the things that you might find.